the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a recipe for a shampoo bar with Murumuru Butter, avocado oil and Neem Powder for my dad suffering from itchy scalp leading to dandruff. As always, I plan to use a mixture of surfactant, SCS, SCI and SLSA that my whole family enjoys at different percentage. Murumuru butter and avocado oil to nourish both the scalp and hair, protecting them and restoring vigor and shine. Neem powder, considered to be the one that cures all ills in India, and nettle powder, which both fight against dandruff, and the cosmetic ingredient Provitamin B5, renowned for soothing sensitive scalp prone to itching. I'm beginning by preparing water, surfactant, Murumuru butter and avocado oil ready to go to the bain-marie. When this part will be melted, I will mix, then add neem powder and stinging needle powder. I will mix again, then let it cool but not yet harden before adding Nigella oil, Provitamin B5 and my black magic fragrance oil. Sorry. I will mix again and pour it to my mold. I leave you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.